shit, guys, you hear that? Fire truck coming. Fire truck's coming. You know what I'm saying? How y'all doing today? Just having a little fun today. Showing y'all what I got going on. It's been a while since I did a video. But yeah, I got the pan painted and powder coated, undercoated and stuff. Got a couple scratches here and there. You know how it goes when you're putting stuff together. You're trying not to make a mess, but you're making a mess because you're looking for stuff, and then you're scratching and bumping and cussing, and you got towels. You're getting yelled at for towels because they're not where they're supposed to be, but they are where they're supposed to be because they're protecting the car. You know what I'm saying? You gotta do that. Come back here, got another little bunch of stuff going on back here. Gotta finish making these ends. Get some grommets. Gotta get some grommets. Gotta finish bolting this all up. Getting some stuff painted so I can put this rear end together. Just yeah. And then I'm gonna get some undercoating for the bottom of the car. Might put some color on it first, then undercoat it. I don't know. I haven't really thought about it that much. And then I gotta do something with my steering. And what I did for that is I gotta cut a new hole in my car. Yay! Had to plug up the old hole so I don't have the vent and the rain, the water coming around and all this other stuff. And I get this light turned around, I'll show you what I got going on here. What I got going on here, what I did, just took a breeze plug and put it in here. Put some seam sealer on there and scuffed it and primed it. Gotta cut a new hole over here. But all this is all ready to go. Stripped it down. Got all the old paint off and grime and undercoating tar crap from 1964. It was on there for a while. It was all icky. But it wasn't the good icky, you know what I'm saying? It was kind of just, yeah, icky. But that's all gone. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Give you an idea where I'm at. I ain't getting nothing done over here. It's never getting finished. But yeah, that's what's up, guys. And on that, y'all have a good one.